गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। जैसा कि हम प्रीवियस क्लास में देख रहे थे नॉन इंटीग्रल अकाउंट्स, आज उसमें हम अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज देखेंगे इन द फाइनेंशियल बुक्स। तो हमने नॉन इंटीग्रल अकाउंट्स में समझा था कि अंडर द नॉन इंटीग्रल अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम सेपरेट लेजर्स आर मेंटेन for the cost accounts and for the financial accounts. Accounts are maintained on double entry system in both the types of accounts books. Personal ledger are open in financial account books only, not in cost account books. In cost accounting books, double entry is completed in only one book, that is cost ledger. Other ledgers are only memorandum and necessary control accounts are opened in the cost ledger for the transaction recorded in these memorandum ledger. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि फाइनेंशियल लेजर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं। डेटर्स लेजर, क्रेडिटर्स लेजर एंड थर्ड इज जनरल लेजर. Debtors ledger, it has personal accounts of debtors. Creditors ledger, it has personal accounts of creditors. And general ledger, it contains all real, nominal and personal accounts except debtors and creditors account. इसी प्रकार कॉस्ट लेजर कौन कौन से होते हैं। कॉस्ट लेजर फर्स्ट देखिए, जनरल लेजर. It is the principal ledger in cost books which control all other ledgers in the costing department. It contains all impersonal accounts and is similar to general ledger of financial accounts. Next is stores ledger. It is a subsidiary ledger. It contains all stores accounts. Third is WIP ledger. It is a subsidiary ledger. It contains a separate account for each job in progress. Each such account is debited with the material costs, wages, overhead chargeable to the jobs and credited with the cost of work completed. The balance in this account and next is finished goods ledger. It is also subsidiary ledger. It contains accounts of completely finished goods. हम फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम देखते हैं जनरल एंट्रीज, रिसिप्ट ऑफ मटेरियल्स इनटू स्टोर्स. इट मे बी कैश और इट मे बी क्रेडिट परचेज. The entry will be stores ledger control account debit to general ledger adjustment account. Receipt or purchase of material for special job, WIP ledger control account debit to general ledger adjustment account. In the financial books, for raw material purchase on credit, then we will do the entry purchase account debit to creditors account. For the paid cash to creditors, the entry will be creditors account debit to cash account. If materials issued to production department, it is an internal transaction to be entered in cost accounts only. There will be no entry in financial accounts. wages paid. This transaction will be entered in both financial and cost accounts. Entry in financial accounts will be wages account debit, cost ledger control account debit to cash account. Indirect expenses paid. This transaction also will be entered in both financial accounts and both accounts. Entry in financial accounts will be expenses account debit, cost ledger control account debit to cash. अब हम देखते हैं अकाउंटिंग एंट्रीज इन कॉस्टिंग बुक्स इन नॉन इंटीग्रल अकाउंटिंग सिस्टम। तो अभी मैंने आपको बताया था कि मेन होता है इनका कॉस्ट लेजर, दैट इज कॉल्ड जनरल लेजर। बाकी सब मेमोरेंडम बुक्स होती है। मेमोरेंडम बुक्स में हम स्टोर्स लेजर, WIP लेजर, फिनिश्ड गुड्स लेजर मेंटेन करते हैं। कॉस्ट लेजर में मैंने आपको बताया देयर इज ओनली वन बुक मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट इन कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग। डबल एंट्री ऑफ ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शन इज कंप्लीटेड इन दिस बुक ओनली. All other books are memorandum books in order to complete the double entry in respect to each of such books. Separate control accounts are open in the cost ledger. And memorandum books are stores ledger. In the stores ledger, a separate account is open for each item of material in the store. When material is received in the store, accounts of the concerned item in this book is debited. For example, stores ledger control account debit to general ledger adjustment account. Next memorandum or subsidiary ledger is WIP ledger. In this book, a separate account is opened for each job. Transaction of cost accounts which are recorded in this book fall under the category of internal transaction. These transaction entries thereof will be as on issue of material from store to a job, जिसे हमने अभी देखा था ये परचेज और ऑन कैश और क्रेडिट पर बेस पर. And the finished goods ledger account, finished goods ledger, it is also memorandum or subsidiary ledger. Account of every job which is completed or every product of which manufacturing process is completed is kept in the finished stock ledger. Entry in cost journal will be as finished stock ledger control account debit to WIP ledger control account. We see an example. When materials return to stores from job, the entry will be stores ledger control account debit to WIP ledger control account. Payment of wages, then wages control account debit to general ledger adjustment account. And amount of wages allocated to WIP and respective overhead control account, then entry will be WIP ledger control account debit, factory overhead control account debit, administration overhead control account debit, selling and distribution overhead control account debit to wages control account.